Okay, good morning. So I was planning out my day and Austin actually called and told me that he wasn't coming home until tomorrow. Okay, all right. Anyways, so he called me and told me that he wasn't coming until tomorrow. So I was like, okay, what do I do with my day? Because I was planning on like having to go to the airport to pick him up and then him just being home. So I figured let's do a closet declutter, clean out, organization video. But I realized that like I usually do my closet like I don't know. I feel like I do it every month. Like I just feel like I need to constantly go through it. Go through the dresser that is in our bedroom because that has just become a total mess and it just gives me so much anxiety thinking about it. So I want to go through that as well. But I wanted to go through like all of the closets that are in the house because all of them have just, I don't know, they've just been so like busy and I don't know, it's just driving me crazy. So I'm like, today is the day we're organizing these closets. So I actually made a list of like all of the closets. So I'm going to just go through and start checking them off. And yeah, I'm excited. I'm like so excited for the aftermath and just how it's gonna look and feel when it's all done. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so first one we're gonna start with is this entryway by our front door. So it just has like, I honestly don't even know what's in here. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna like go through this and start organizing it because this is like a simple, just like quick, get through it, start the process kind of closet. Bentley is already at work, so yeah, let's start. Actually, I'm gonna put some music on and then we're gonna start. We were just looking for this, so I'm gonna put this in here, or do I want to put it in the laundry room because that's where all like the mop and everything. Yeah, that makes more sense. Okay, that's okay because we're gonna put boots and stuff in here. But now I'm gonna go to the laundry room and start doing this one because this one is probably our most used closet. This one is like where our garage is, so it's like what we come in and out of the most. So this is what the closet is looking like. There's just like Austin's hats, some of Bentley's stuff, some of my hats, and then over here is all of our like jackets. They're mostly Austin's because I keep mine upstairs. And I just have like my purses right here. These are just ones that I like to have nearby in case I don't want to just have my little black one. And then our shoes. This is like literally what gives me the most anxiety is just like all of our shoes right here. It's just like, oh my god, it drives me crazy. And then up here above the washer and dryer, I know it's not a closet, but just looking at this makes me go crazy and I'm like, I need to, you know, utilize this space. So we're gonna start with this. Okay, so I moved upstairs to this like linen closet. It just has bath towels, bed sheets, some cleaning supplies, and then just like some random stuff. Okay, so we had to take a small intermission because Bentley needed to eat, and yeah, so I'm upstairs. I just put him down for his nap and now I'm in our bedroom. I didn't realize how long that was gonna take me. It took me like 2-ish hours, 2.5 hours to do just the main floor bathrooms and the linen closet. So I'm gonna save Bentley's closet and the guest bedroom for probably just a vlog or something, because it's not gonna take me very long, and our guest bedroom is where I'm putting all of the donations and stuff, so it's basically just like clutter right now until I can take it to Goodwill. So I'm gonna save those for a vlog and just do those instead. But I wanted to do our master bedroom right now, so I'm gonna start with the dresser because I feel like that is what needs the most work, and I just want to figure out a way to make it to utilize all the drawers and just to make it easier for us. Do like too much of a change in here. I just did little things. This was actually Austin's, which he used for his ties, and I didn't realize that it was a 2-pack because I actually bought it for him. But he wasn't using this one, and I was like, hey, I'm gonna put my jewelry on this because where I have it now, Bentley can access it. So I was sick of having to like untangle my jewelry all the time, and now it's just here with all of my outfits and everything, and I just think it looks so much better. I mean, this is like obviously kind of obnoxious, but whatever, it works, and I actually really like it. Then up front I just have all of my crop tops because that's what I'm wearing the most of right now, so I just wanted to put those towards the front. And then I have these few tank tops that are longer that I can tuck in and things like that. Then we get to all of my basic t-shirts, some of these like button down, the little short sleeve button down, some bodysuits, which I honestly haven't been wearing as much, but I wanted to move them towards the front because they're perfect for summer. And then this obviously has a little gap in it because like I said, I have laundry, so some of these gaps will be filled. Back here I just have all of my like fancier blouses, short sleeve blouses, my dresses, and then my flannels. In this closet, not much of a difference, but I just reorganized a few things up top. Our board games, badminton set, and then a attachment for the vacuum, all of our jackets, a backpack so Austin doesn't, or so Bentley doesn't get into it. And then down below I just have all of our winter shoes, and then 2 of the family TV trays. That's it for that one. All right, and then for the laundry room, I have, don't mind that laundry. I'm gonna start it right now, but I didn't want to do it while filming the video. So I just have the broom, vacuum, and our Swiffer back here. And then up top I just have a couple bins that have some miscellaneous items, some cleaning products. Up top these are a couple of planters. There we go. Are a couple of planters. I either want to do some plants in these and leave them up here just to like liven up the space a little bit, or use them eventually with whatever. Then I just have some, you good? Yeah, you drank too fast. And then I just have some pool towels up there, just nice to have on hand. Washer dryer, nothing changed. And then over here, I just have up top Austin's like favorite hat at the moment. It's like the one that he wears most often. And then all of his other hats are in this little cube. Can we not? Excuse me. Thanks. Okay. And then up top, all the other hats are in the cube. And then this one has Bentley's shoes. This one has Bentley's socks. I'm keeping them higher up so he can't get to them and make a total mess of it. Then we just have a little light jacket, a hat, Bentley's, my 2 purses in case I'm not using the one that I am currently using. These are just like good backup ones. And then his diaper bag, some hoodies and things like that we just like grab most often. I still have one that was in the laundry, so I'm gonna put that back on the hanger. Then down below, I think this looks so good, but I wasn't sure how the like little mat would look. Also, Bentley left his spoon because normally it's like horizontal going against the door and it looks perfect, but I thought that this looks so cute and like homey, and I don't know, I almost want to put like a little picture or something like on this wall. I don't know, is that weird? But anyways, I put the little plant here and the rug here just to make it look a little more put together, and then also having this here makes it so I'll keep it clean, because if this looks messy, like it's just obviously not gonna look good. So this will help me keep it nice and clean and maintained. Okay, so those are the after results of my closet situations. I just feel so much better honestly doing that, and I hope that this video inspired you to maybe take a look at your closet space and see if you can do a little bit of organization or just going through decluttering. And yeah, it feels so good. Well, it's like 6:30, so I'm gonna go get Bentley and I dinner. We're gonna get Tokyo Joe's to celebrate being productive and a nice organized space. But yeah, I hope that you enjoyed, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.